You ready to start the work? Then if you're ready, come the people are waiting for me to come inspire them on this channel. So if you're ready, come see me, come.
This is the Decor and Lifestyle Center.
So whenever I show up on this channel, I want to think that I'm inspiring you. Okay? So when you come with a very open mind though. So I'm inside of the Court store. I'm actually at the Portmore branch. And I had a really fabulous idea to create a design inside here, and I want to take you along. All right, so this is our regular bookshelf, right? And then this is a plastic storage unit. Comes with shelves. Now you can see how big this is. There are so many different things that you can store in here, right? I'm thinking like if you buy surplus soaps, surplus bleach, anything that you buy in surplus, or you have more than one, put them in here and you lock it away. Alright? Then over here we have some open shelving. And so when I style this, I'll show you the things that you can show inside of your laundry room. Over here, so now, is where, this is my favorite little piece. Oops, the shelf them turn over in while we're moving. For this cupboard right here, I had said that you can store the surplus products that you buy for your laundry room. So that can be a detergent, your fabric softener, for the persons who have dryer sheets, and any little thing where you don't want to be out in public and you have enough, you just put it in here, sir. But the things that you're going to be using every day now at your laundry station, that you can store inside here. And it has ample space, as you can see, can hold a lot of stuff. Okay, so the things that you use on an ongoing basis, we'll put them in here. Now guys, bear in mind that your open shelving inside of your laundry room can make your place look really untidy. So we're going to gather the things them. You don't just throw them down on the open shelf because it makes your space look smaller. It doesn't look pulled together. And it is extremely distracting when you have stuff just out and about. All right? So I'm going to be showing you how to style them so that they can look aesthetically pleasing. Guys, you can see that I'm shopping. This is a really small piece, but I love it so much because this is also another way that you can store your stuff. And this is a television stand. So I'm showing you that you can use me love the double duty things them, you know. This, I'm showing you that if you have space in your laundry room, you can use this to fold your laundry. And guess what? I'm not even done. You don't even have to stand up to do it. I'm giving you seating. And if you have company, we can do the folding together. All right? So you have 2 seats here. This TV stand, Lord Jesus, like me feel like me need to find some way somehow to use this stand. It is so fabulous. And let me tell you, it is made from excellent material. Anyways, like I said, we're using it to do our folding station. So we're gonna do a little styling just to show you how you can do this at home. Now, like I said, I can't overemphasize that these are the items that are available inside of the store. I could have taken props in to show you, but I just want to ensure that you get the idea. We're trying to use as much of the stuff that are available inside of the store to create this. And if I can do it inside of a store, you can dress your laundry room at home, because you can find all the items that you need to put on display, all the things that are important to you. So if I really wanted to do what is called a photo finish, we just pick up a throw from off one of the chairs and we're just going to throw it on our stand. Y'all don't come in the comment section, come tell me about it. I'm not putting a throw on my folding table in my laundry. Use imagination. All right. Now you will see the correlation between this and the other pieces that I'm going to be putting in, because I'm also styling, okay? I want my laundry room to look as fabulous as it can look. See that? Well, guess right now I'm not stand. And we have to figure this out too. Okay? You know what these are? They use them to advertise the price in the store. I'm telling you, some men use the things them that is inside of the store. If I was doing this at home, I would use a plate stand. So no, don't. All right. And I'm going to show you how innovative I can be. Come, don't fail me now, you know. So why not stand up? Ah! Ta-da! So I want to draw your attention a little bit to this makeshift sign that we just did. So it's actually a picture frame. And we just printed a little laundry room sign on the computer because we make it work. And that's not when I send you out for go buy no unnecessary things. Use up your creativity. You'll be surprised to see what you can achieve at home. So we're just gonna hang this right here. I also want to use the opportunity to talk about these laundry bins. I'm gonna call them laundry bins for now, right? What is a laundry room without a laundry basket? Not a basket this time. It's actually a laundry bin, okay? And I'm going to be positioning this when I'm through showing you this one as well. So you can see how this is working with the color scheme, because we're seeing the tones here. Simply, you know, and the gray I think work as well, because you know gray work with anything at all. But I'm going to choose to use the black one, okay? Guys, I hope that you have found the video informative and you are inspired, and also that you'll be willing to use your creativity to create any kind of magic in your own home. Until I see you again, walk good, and next week we catch up again, and we're not even sure what will happen, but we're gonna show up.